Today in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to completely reset your WordPress website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to completely reset our WordPress site. In first step, we will back up our WordPress site, and then in second step, we will restart or reset our WordPress site. So first of all, to back up your WordPress site, go to plugin section and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here Updraft and search for it. And this is the actual plugin, Updraft Plus. So install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, hover over on settings and click on Updraft Plus backups. And now click on settings, file backup schedule. You can schedule your backup. Here choose your remote storage. I'm selecting Google Drive and clicking on, and in your Google Drive Updraft folder will be created. And now click on sign in with Google, leave, and here select your Google account. Scroll down and click on allow and click on complete setup, and then your Google Drive will be connected to your WordPress for backup. Now you can include files backup. You can check or uncheck any options, and now all you have to do is just click on save changes. Once done, go to backup restore section and click on backup now. Click on backup now. Once your website backed up, it's time to reset our WordPress site. To do that, again we will install another plugin. So go to plugins and click on add new plugin, and here search for advanced WordPress reset. And install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin installed, hover over on tools and click on advanced WordPress reset, and here scroll down. In this box type reset and click on reset. Reset now. And this is how we can reset our WordPress website. I'm going to visiting my website. As you can see, the default theme update. Going to appearance themes. As you can see, default themes are showing up here. Let's go to plugin section, and here we can see default plugins. This is how we can completely reset our WordPress site. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.